I love walking the ramp for Kalki, and it was a wonderful show. I had so much fun, and like you can see my outfit, it's beautiful and with embroidery, and I love pastel colors, and I think any other girl. This is the kind of outfit that any other girl would like to wear, for their reception, any function on their wedding. So it's wonderful, and I love walking the ramp.
And any suggestions for the hot summer in Mumbai?
Hot summer in Mumbai, so well, it's getting hotter in Bombay, and I think people should wear light colors and simple outfits, I guess. Very light colors. Thank you. Hello. ये जल जाएगा.
Yeah, that's what you previous.
आएगा. Hello everybody.
चलो रोले सबका. रोलिंग. हेलो यामी जी.
Hello.
हेलो. कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस जानना चाहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा रहा. I don't know शायद अगर आप अंदर थे कि नहीं, but something. How was it? Great. So they say great, so it must be great. And I think all thanks to Bomb Times and Kalki, I think they've done a fantastic job with their collection. और जब किसी भी attire में अगर आप comfortable हो, आपको अच्छा feel हो रहा हो, तो वो ही reflect करेगा. I think on stage, and that's exactly what happened. So I absolutely enjoyed the experience.
Yeah, that's my dad.
Hello sir.
Hello.
Hello sir.
And we are so much comfortable while walking the ramp.
How? Don't ask me how. I was actually quite okay. बट जब मैं बैक स्टेज आप जाते हैं, आई डोंट नो अगर आप कभी गए हैं बैक स्टेज, इतनी भागा दौड़ी और इतनी नर्वसनेस होती है मुझे. बट ऑल द मॉड्यूल्स, बिकॉज दे आर रशिंग, दे हैव टू क्विकली चेंज, मे बी चेंज अ लिटिल हेयर पीस, मे बी चेंज देयर शूज. आई डोंट नो हाउ दे मैनेज इट. देयर इज सो मच chaos बैक स्टेज दैट आप बाकी कोई भी अगर ऐसे भी कोई खड़े होगा, यू गेट रियली नर्वस. But I think as soon as you hit the ramp, I just know I'm feeling really, really comfortable and really happy, and that's what reflected. So,
यामी जी. And you are so much beautiful. Can you describe your dress?
मैं इस question में इतनी बुरी हूँ, but चलिए, just for you, I will say this, of course, is Kalki collection, and I think it's perfect for a day Indian festive. Or maybe somewhere abroad, wherever, if you plan to have a festive. And the collection inspired है summer hues से, and the whole feel is very sunset romance kind of a thing because of the fabric, because of the color. It's, of course, it's an off-shoulder garment with a beautiful cape, so I can fly also like a Superman if you ask me any bad question. So
कल्कि को आपने आज के शो के लिए चुना. किन चीजों का ध्यान रखा था जब आप इनको चुन रहे थे?
See, the collection it's got a lot of soft colors. It's a very happy, feel good collection. And Yami is someone who is very charming. She has that feeling whenever you see Yami, whether it's on screen or whether you see her in person. She just brings a smile on your face, and that's what the collection is all about. It's very soft. It's about having fun. It's about enjoying your sunset, your daytimes, destination wedding. It's about having that fun moment.
यामी, आपने अपने आप को एक मॉडल के तौर पे भी स्थापित कर दिया है. बहुत अच्छे से आप कॉन्फिडेंट
yeah,
पाती हैं.
thank you.
Yeah, no, she was very confident.
Thank you.
I think
Thank you.
you rocked it.
कमर्शियल्स में तो करती ही मॉडलिंग. अब फुल टाइम इसमें भी कुछ करने का इरादा है?
क्या पूछते हैं आप ये सुने? Come on. Not at all. I don't think I can be I think that you have some amazing professional models, और शायद उन्हीं को कहीं ना कहीं उनसे कुछ टिप्स लेके या देख के कि वो किस तरह से वॉक करते हैं. आई वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस. जब मेरे पास टाइम होता है मैं ज़रूर देखती हूँ, नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैव टू डू अ रैम्प वॉक, बट आई लाइक वॉचिंग ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ व्हाटएवर आई कैन लर्न फ्रॉम समवन. और अगर किसी से आपको कुछ सीखने को मिले और आप अगर उसे आई थिंक दिखा पाएँ, then why not?
आजकल आप फिजिकल फिटनेस पे बहुत ध्यान दे रही हैं. यू आर डूइंग पोल डांसिंग.
Okay. Yeah, I just started learning. Yeah.
किसने इंस्पायर किया आपको?
ज़रूरी नहीं है. आई थिंक दैट समवन हैज़ टू इंस्पायर यू, और ज़रूरी भी नहीं है कि अगर कुछ कुछ मुझे किसी मूवी में ऐसा कुछ सॉन्ग करना है तभी मैं कुछ सीखूंगी। ऐसे भी सीखते हैं, ऐसे भी हॉबीज हो सकता है या कुछ एक्टिविटी हो सकता है अपने आप को चैलेंज करने के लिए। ऐसे भी
यानी जी अपने फूल बनाया आज के दिन आपको
मुझे रियलाइज नहीं, पहले मुझे लगा ये इवेंट हो सकता है आज नहीं है, मुझे ऐसे बुला लिया, बट देन द टीम वाज ऑलरेडी देयर एंड आई रियलाइज्ड नहीं इट्स नॉट एन इवेंट।
आफ्टर दैट मीटर चालू
यस, बत्ती गुल मीटर चालू।
क्या स्टेटस है इसका अगर आप
स्टेटस आई एम नॉट द राइट, आपका शूटिंग चालू है, मतलब शूटिंग चल रही है और ऑफ कोर्स जैसे ही खत्म होगी और जो प्रमोशन जब होंगे तो हम लोग भी यहाँ हैं, आप लोग भी यहाँ हैं, विल टॉक अ लॉट, विल टॉक मोर अबाउट द फिल्म। Oh God! Thank you. I just said that. Yeah, thank you. Today's women's superpower. I think awareness. Okay, the one who asked the question is on that side. Superpowers, I think awareness and education is, I think, आज भी थी, पहले भी थी. Education and self-awareness is, I think, a woman's superpower. And that's क्योंकि अगर आप में confidence है, अपने आप को कुछ भी, चाहे अपने लिए लड़ने का, किसी और के लड़ने का, नहीं भी लड़ने का, जरूरी नहीं. Everything is not about fighting or attacking somebody. It's about knowing you and being yourself and being comfortable and and be working, be independent in any capacity. कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं है. So I think that is superpower. Yeah, thank you. Superpower.
शाहिद भी आने वाले हैं आज यहाँ पे
I'm not aware.
शाहिद
Yeah?
yeah he is also part because उनके जो भाई हैं Beyond the Clouds
Right.
प्रमोट करने आ रहे हैं
Right.
साथ में आपने सोचा कि साथ में भी रहे हैं
I'm not even aware that he's going to be here, but all the best. And I think I watched the trailer. और ईशान बहुत talented है, बहुत अच्छा ट्रेलर लग रहा है. And we all waiting for the release.
हैप्पी अप्रैल फूल्स डे
Happy Easter, I think I'm gonna say. Thank you. I've already shot the episode and I think this was all for fun. And it was ये कहाँ से आप पीछे पीछे questions लेकर आ रहे हैं? So they have a whole group and someone can pan the camera in this corner where they ऐसे करके they're coming up with questions. Yeah, it's a really fun show. I think it's really cool. I had an amazing time. So Abish, me and Kenny, and you're gonna watch it soon. I think it's season 4.
Your sister is here
Yes, she's here.
Rhea
How sweet. Come, Surili, come. Come from here. No, come from here. Danny? Okay, come from here. Sorry.
I think you'll be able to get there.
Come. Okay, that's my sister.
she was here to cheer you up
Do you cheer?
Yes.
She cheered.
I hooted.
कब आप दोनों साथ में रहने करेंगे अपने तो भूल जाना चाहिए
Yeah, done. Noted. We'll walk the ramp together soon. One day. Sorry, I think I really have some superpower today. So, yes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for all the love.
I learn from her every day. Since my childhood, she's always been inspiring me. I've always been looking up to her since childhood. And that is going to be.
फिल्में देखते हैं आप इनकी
No.
यार मुझे अगर इंस्पायर करती है तो उसकी फिल्में तो मैं ऑब्वियसली all her films.
How
all
sweet.
her films.
That's
all
family.
her
This is
films.
family
Yeah, that's
love.
family.
That's family
And
love.
everything, her growth, her performance. Her
Now I'll tell you one thing.
relationship.
Anybody who asks me about styling tips, I'm gonna just pull her in because she's apart from all the stylists that I work with, she's fab.
I personally, I don't follow anybody's style or any particular style. Just comfort, experimenting. I love experimenting, and that's what I love doing with her also and with myself also. So that is the best mantra of styling.
I think you guys have I've given the maximum time. I think it's become अब चाय की बस दे रहे हैं, पर उससे पहले correct दूसरा शो शुरू हो जाए. I think I should make a leave. But thank you so much. नहीं, but sure.
आपके साथ होगी इनका शो कर सकते हैं लेट मी फैशन में
You are too
How
sweet.
sweet, yes,
You are
you
too
too
sweet. And thank you. We'll definitely make it happen. आपने पूरा घर बना लिया मतलब यहाँ पे.
चलिए ठीक है
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.